Hey y'all, this recipe is simple, so it's right in the middle of my wheelhouse. In fact, it only has 3 ingredients. 1/2 cup of powdered sweetener, I use this one. 1 egg, even though it's showing more than one, just one. And a cup of peanut butter. Yes, I'm using Jif Extra Crunchy because it's my fave. And that's why I put keto in quotation marks. You could use a true keto peanut butter and it'd make this a little less naughty, but I'm all about a little naughty. Sorry, Mom. And there they are, a little bit done, but not bad. And you can see they don't expand much because, well, no flour. Huh? What do you think? And so there you have it, a really simple, quick, mostly healthy snack to satisfy your sweet tooth. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon.